flippy lift.
I can't see it.
Welcome to 7 News. In today's episode, a new tectonic plate has been found. New earthquakes emerging from Perth, WA.
Oh no! It's here!
Perfect. Hello and welcome to the educational part of this film. In this part, we'll talk about how earthquakes are formed and the types of earthquakes. So earthquakes are formed when tectonic plates either converge or transform. These are the two different types of earthquakes. A convergent earthquake occurs when the plate boundaries of a tectonic plate get pushed together. In this case, when Ash was walking, the immense pressure caused by his weight caused new tectonic plates to form, and with the pressure thus made convergent boundaries. In the example, convergent boundaries, they push against each other, and one usually gets pushed underneath, and this makes the earthquake happen. Another type of earthquake would be transform earthquakes. These occur when plate boundaries of a tectonic plate sliding across each other. This then creates friction between the plates, and the greater the friction, the more pressure is released. An example done with my hands would be me rubbing my hands. You see, my hands would represent plate boundaries, and by them rubbing against each other, this causes an earthquake.
She's some grease. I'm that beat. I'm gonna eat. I push I beat it. I like to see it. I'm really no bleeding. I'm going by the week.